Don't you hate when dealerships overcharge for simple services like wiper blade replacement for your Mercedes? This is how to save money while buying quality Mercedes replacement wiper blades, and how to easily change Mercedes wiper blades even when they get stuck.
Frakking Creations, showing you the good stuff.
First step is not to buy the Mercedes branded part from the dealership unless they are selling you the part for a fair price. Genuine wiper blades shouldn't cost a lot more than quality aftermarket wiper blades. Instead, you can buy these Bosch wiper blades that are exact fit for your Mercedes. Bosch is a major OEM supplier for Mercedes, and they are one of the companies that make parts for Mercedes that meets Mercedes performance and safety standards. I'll include links to these and a fitment guide in the video description. Please pause to read the disclaimer before continuing. Second step is to open the hood and set it to service mode before replacing the wiper blades. While holding the hood with one hand, with the other hand press the button on the lower position of the gas strut. Carefully lift the hood up until it clicks and holds in place. Now you can access the wipers by lifting them up for replacement. Third step is to remove the Mercedes wiper blade. Make sure to be careful not to let the wiper arm snap back down at any time or the windshield could be damaged. Then slide the retaining clip up to the unlocked position. To be able to do this, you need to angle the lower part of the wiper blade outwards first, then slide the clip up and remove. Here's a good tip. Sometimes after doing this, the retaining clip still won't slide up enough to release the wiper blade. This is caused by this clip. In this position, it will get in the way. Slide it out of the way, and now you can remove the wiper blade easily. Fourth step is to install the replacement Bosch Mercedes wiper blade. Angle and slide the attachment head of the new wiper into the retaining clip. Then slide the retaining clip down to lock into place. Last step is to return everything to driving mode. Return the wiper blade back to normal use position and take the hood out of service mode. While supporting the hood with one hand, slightly lift the hood, and with the other hand, press the button in the upper position of the gas strut. Then carefully lower it until it clicks and holds in the lower position. Close the hood and test the new wipers out at home before your next drive. That's all there is to it. Congrats! Like and share our video if the video was useful.